More drivers are considering mirror dash cams as an alternative to traditional dash cams. The better ones combine front, rear, and even interior recording into a single unit while giving you a clearer, wider rear view than your factory mirror. However, pick the wrong one and you could end up paying more for poorer video quality, unreliable features, or a frustrating installation. That's why I've put together this list of the 7 best mirror dash cams for different driving needs, from the easiest to install to the best budget buy and the strongest all-round performer. Each one is linked below for easy purchase after watching. 7. STONVUE, best for daily driving. If you simply want a mirror dash cam that quietly gets on with the job every time you drive, the STONVUE is a solid place to start. It records in 4K resolution at the front, with full high-definition cameras covering both the rear and inside of the vehicle. And the surprising part? When I checked the price via the link below, it cost less than $140 at the time of recording. So what's the catch? Well, it isn't the core features. The STONVUE sits over your existing rear-view mirror, giving you a much wider digital rear view, while wide dynamic range helps reduce glare from bright headlights and preserve more detail after dark. However, STONVUE is still relatively new, so it doesn't have the long-term reputation of some of the manufacturers coming up later, which is why so many people are overlooking it right now. Also, because this is a 3-camera system, installation takes a little more effort with extra wiring to route around the cabin. Check out number 4 on this list if you need an easier setup. However, in my opinion, for everyday commuting, those trade-offs are easy to live with. You get complete front, rear, and interior coverage, a clearer rear view than your factory mirror, and you avoid paying for premium features that many drivers will rarely use. Pick it up via the link below, or keep watching because the next recommendation is aimed at a very different type of driving requirement. 6. PORMIDO, best for families. If you're buying a mirror dash cam for the whole family, simply adding an interior camera isn't enough. It also needs to capture the right parts of the cabin, and that's where the PORMIDO separates itself from most rivals. Rather than building the cameras into the mirror housing, the front, rear, and interior cameras are all mounted separately. That means you can position the interior camera towards the back seats instead of being stuck with a fixed angle, making it much more useful for keeping an eye on children or pets during longer journeys. The trade-off is that you'll spend more time installing it because there are extra cameras and cables to route. It also costs noticeably more than the STONVUE, coming in at just under $260 via the link below. However, if your car regularly carries the family, that's a trade-off many parents will happily accept. Add in infrared night vision for the cabin and built-in GPS recording, and you have a mirror dash cam that's designed around real family use rather than simply ticking boxes on a specification sheet. But if you drive in the dark a lot, this next option is worth a look. 5. Pelsee, best for nighttime and bad weather, because the moment most dash cams struggle is after the sun goes down. Headlight glare, wet roads, and poorly lit streets can quickly turn useful footage into something much harder to rely on. That's where the Pelsee earns its place. Instead of relying on image processing alone, it combines a Sony STARVIS 2 front sensor with a higher resolution 2.5K rear camera, backed up by high dynamic range and wide dynamic range technology to help preserve more detail when lighting conditions suddenly change. Just keep in mind that features like blind spot detection and lane departure warnings should be treated as helpful driving aids rather than replacements for paying attention to the road. The good news is that it also includes a 128GB memory card and an onboard diagnostics hardwire kit in the box, saving you from buying 2 common extras separately. At just under $230 when I checked via the link below, it isn't cheap. But if you regularly drive before sunrise, after dark, or through poor weather, it's one of the strongest mirror dash cams in this price range. But up next, we've got my personal favorite. 4. INSEETECH, best for easy installation. Because I don't know about you, but personally, I hate pulling half the interior of a car apart just to run another cable. If that sounds familiar, the INSEETECH offers an efficient solution. Its standout feature isn't actually the mirror dash cam itself. It's the included magnetic, solar-powered wireless backup camera that attaches in seconds without drilling into your vehicle. That makes it especially useful if you regularly switch between vehicles, tow a trailer, or simply want an extra rear view without a permanent installation. However, just to be clear, the mirror dash cam still uses conventional wiring, so this isn't a completely wireless system. The wireless camera is an additional backup camera that connects through your phone, rather than replacing the wired rear dash camera. If you're happy spending more time on a full installation, there are stronger performers coming up. But if convenience is your biggest priority, the INSEETECH is the one I'd choose. 3. WOLFBOX G900 Tripro Cabin Version. Best for Uber, Lyft, and taxi drivers. When your vehicle is your workplace, protecting what's happening inside the cabin becomes just as important as recording the road ahead. That's exactly what the WOLFBOX G900 Tripro Cabin Version is built for. Alongside its 4K front camera and sharper 2.5K rear camera, it also records the interior in full high definition, giving you valuable evidence if a passenger dispute or other incident ever arises. The STONVUE 2 front sensor also performs exceptionally well after dark, while 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi, voice control, and a pre-installed 256 GB memory card make day-to-day use refreshingly straightforward. The problem is the price. At around $400 when I checked via the link below, it's a serious investment and you'll still need to buy the optional hardwire kit if you want parking monitoring. But if driving is how you earn your living, that extra protection could easily pay for itself. 2. REDTIGER T27. Most affordable. If you're simply looking for the most affordable mirror dashcam with a solid reputation, then I highly recommend the REDTIGER T27 because at around $150 when I checked through the link below, it delivers several features normally found on much more expensive models. For example, the first thing that impressed me was the sharper 2.5K rear camera. Many mirror dashcams at this price still settle for full high definition, so the extra detail can make a real difference when reviewing footage. You also get built-in GPS, an 11-inch touchscreen, parking monitoring, and reversing assistance, giving it a surprisingly premium feel. Crucially, however, there's no interior camera or voice control, so professional drivers may be better served by the previous recommendation. But if your priority is getting excellent image quality without stretching to premium prices, the REDTIGER T27 strikes one of the best balances between price and performance in this countdown. 1. WOLFBOX G900 Tripro Bumper Version, Best Overall. After comparing all 7, the WOLFBOX G900 Tripro Bumper is the one I'd buy if budget wasn't the deciding factor. Unlike the cabin version I covered earlier, this model replaces the interior camera with a dedicated bumper-mounted camera, giving you a viewing angle that almost no other mirror dash cam offers. Whether you're squeezing into tight parking spaces, towing, tackling rough tracks, or simply trying to avoid low obstacles, that extra perspective can be genuinely useful rather than feeling like a gimmick. You still get the same 4K STONVUE 2 front camera, a sharper 2.5K rear camera, 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi, voice control, GPS, and a pre-installed 256 GB memory card, so you're not sacrificing image quality to gain that extra camera. However, it's equal in price to the cabin version, so I'll link to my list of more affordable dash cam options below if you still need alternatives. But if you want the most capable mirror dash cam here, this is the one I'd spend my own money on.